us play and learn the topic, the plant and the animal world. In this unit, you will learn about plants as food makers, useful plants, animal homes. Phew! I have just returned from Ellie's garden. All the parts of the plant were having a big fight. Smart Miss Leaf stopped them. Let me tell you from the beginning what happened. I am the best. I am colorful and have a sweet smell. Bah! I am better than you. I fixed the plant to the soil. Don't forget me. I support the plant. Me. Everyone wants to eat me. Friends, don't fight, please. You are all good and best. Silly, why should we listen to you? Okay, if you will not listen to me and stop fighting, I will not give you food. Food? Yes, I make food for all of you. Wow! You make food for us? Will you show us how? Okay, watch. Look at the sun's light falling on us. Of course, the roots are very kind and suck minerals and water from the soil. The air around us contains a gas called carbon dioxide. I am using all these things to make food for us. My green color also helps me to prepare food. There, food is ready. Now, I will send some food for all of you to eat. Thanks. I am quite full. Thanks for the food. Even my stomach is full. Same with me too. Yeah, yummy food. Thanks, Leaf. Now, don't waste food, friends. Store it. I am also storing the food left with me. Hey, friends! The parts of the plant have stored food for us to eat. Carrot is a root that we eat. Sugar cane is the stem that we eat. Apple is a fruit that we love to eat. Broccoli is a flower that is eaten by us. Spinach is a leaf that we eat. That was great. Now you can eat the carrot and feed it to rabbits too. They simply love carrots. How about looking at some animals in the farm and forest now and taking them to their homes? A buffalo lives in a shed. A bear lives in a cave. A monkey lives atop trees. A snake lives in a hole. Frog lives in and around a pond. Sheep live in a pen. Horse lives in a stable. Hen lives in a coop. Hey, I'm missing Mommy. I'm going home too.